Welcome to my YouTube channel where we discuss about racist subtraction. So racist subtraction means we have to do bigger a number of bigger digits sorry, many digits like 8 to 10 digits. So suppose we are having 8, 9, 3, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8, 5, 3 minus 4, 3, 8, 5, 7, 2, 5, 3, 9, 4. So how to do in conventional method? What always we do that from right to left we do, but here we have to do left to right, basic method. So see, previous two digit, 3 digit and 4 digit number we have done. So we have to follow that method only. Whenever we are doing this one, we have to check this one. Whenever we are doing this one, we have to check this one. Whenever we are doing third one, we have to check fourth column. Okay. So now what to do? 8 minus 4, we have to check 9 minus 3. 9 is greater than 3. 9 is greater than 3. So 8 minus 4 is 4 directly. We can write 3 is less than 8. Now here 3 is less than 8. 3 is less than 8. The above number is smaller than above digit is smaller than the below digit. So what you have to do? This number will be decreased by 1. Now 8 we are having. 8 minus 3 is possible. So 8 minus 3, that is 5. Now 4 is less than 5. Here 4 is less than 5. Here. So what you have to do? This number will be decreased by 1, 2. But 2 minus is not possible. So what we have to do? 8 complement we have to add. 8 complement is 2. 2 plus 2, that is 4. Now 2 is less than 7. 2 is less than 7. This number will be decreased by 1. This is 3. 5 complement is 5. We have to add 3 plus 5, that is 8. Now 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. So what we have to do? Simply we have to add the complement. 2 plus 3, that is 5. As because 6 is greater than 2, I have not subtracted 1. Here you can say 2 is less than 7, subtracted 1. 4 is less than 5, subtracted 1. 3 is less than 8, subtracted 1. Whenever it is the above digit is greater than the lower one, then you don't need to subtract. Simply you have to add the complement. Otherwise you have to do the subtraction if it is possible, like 8 minus 3, 5. So 7 minus 5, 7 is greater than 5, 7 is greater than 5. So what you have to do? 6 minus 2, that is 4. Directly possible. 6 minus 2, 4, and 7 is also greater than 5. 8 is greater than 3, so 7 minus 5, that is 2. 5 is less than 9, 5 is less than 9. So what you have to do? 8 minus this 5 is less than 9 means 8 will be decreased by 1, 7. 7 minus 3, that is 4. Now 3 is less than 4. Now 3 is less than 4. So what you have to do? This number will be decreased by 1, 4. 4 minus 9 not possible. So 9 complement you have to add. 9 complement is 1. 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now 4 after this no digits are there. So 4 complement directly you have to add. 3 plus 6, 9. Now you have to check it in reverse order whether your answer is correct or not. See, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carried, 1 plus 5, 6, 6, 9, 15, again 1 carried, 1, 4, 5, 5, 3, 8, 2, 5, 7, 4, 2, 6, 7, 5, 12, 1 carried, 1, 8, 9, 9, 5, 14, again 1 carried, 4, 1, 5, 5, 8, 13, again 1 carried, 5, 1, 6, 6, 3, 9, 4, 4, 8. In this way, you can check your answer. So this is the method what you have used in previous classes, means that 2 digit, 3 digit and 4 digit, 5 digit. That method only you have to apply, but here the number of the digits are 8 to 10. 8 digits or 10 digits numbers we are having in racist subtraction. One more number we will solve. 2, 4, 3, 8, 9, 5, 4, 3, 7, 9. 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 9, 9, 3, 0, 8. same method you have to apply. That whenever you are going to do this, you have to check 4 is greater than 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. This number will be decreased by 1. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Now 8 is greater than 6. 8 is greater than 6. So what you have to do? 8 is greater than 6. So simply 5 complement you have to add 3 plus 5, that is 8. 9 is greater than 8. 9 is greater than 8. So 8 minus 6 directly possible. So 2. 5 is less than 9. 5 is less than 9. So this number will be decreased by 1. 8. 8 minus 8, that is 0. 4 is less than 9. 4 is less than 9. So this number will be decreased by 1, that is 4. 5 minus 1, 4. And 9 complement you have to add 4 plus 1, that is 5. 3 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3. In that case, what you have to do? You don't need to do subtraction. So simply 9 complement you have to add 4 plus 1, that is 5. 7 is greater than 0. 7 is greater than 0. So 3 minus 3, that is 0. 9 is greater than 8. 7 minus 0, that is 7. 9 minus 8, that is 1. So this is the answer of this subtraction. 2 4 3 8 9 5 4 3 7 9 minus 1 2 5 6 8 9 9 3 0 8. The answer is 1 1 8 2 0 5 0 7 1. One more number we will discuss. You can take the screenshot also. And in order to check the answer, I told you 189 707 033 5914 1 carried here 59 14 1 carried here 156 69 15 again 1 carried here 189 268 85 13 1 carried here 112 224 112. So in this way you can check your answer also. Seven nine 3 0 4 3 8 2 9 minus 5 8 6 4 9 2 8 0 5 7. So how to do this number? Method is same. So what you have to do? 9 is greater than 8, so 7 minus 5, that is directly 2. 3 is less than 6. 3 is less than 6. 9 will be decreased by 1, that is 8. 8 minus 8, that is 0. 0 is less than 4, so 3 minus 1, 2. 6 complement will be added, that is 4. 2 plus 4, that is 6. Again 0 is less than 9. So what you have to do? 0 is less than 9 means this number will be decreased by 1. Otherwise 4 complement is what? 6. 6 will be decreased by 1. 6 minus 1, that is 5. Now 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2 means 9 complement directly you have to add 0 plus 1, that is 1. 3 is greater than 8. That means 4 minus 2, that is, so 3 is less than 8. 3 is less than 8. So 4 will be decreased by 1. 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 is greater than 0. Then 8 complement directly it will be added. 3 plus 2, that is 5. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. Then what you have to do? 2 is less than 5. Minus 1, that is 7. 7 minus 0, that is 7. 9 is greater than 7. So 5 complement directly you have to add. 2 plus 5, that is 7. And 9 minus 7, that is 2. Your answer is 2065 11 5 7 2. Now let us check this in reverse order. 2 7 9 7 5 12 7 5 12. So 1 carry 1 7 8 5 8 13. So here 1. So now 1 1 2 2 2 4 1 9 10 again 1 carried 5 1 6 6 4 10 again 1 carried 6 1 7 7 6 13 again 1 carried 1 8 9 and thereafter 2 5 7. So this is the answer of this. This is the difference of both the numbers. And one more number we will do. 5 4 3 2 0 5 7 9 4 8. Sorry for the disturbance. So see here, 2 9 4 3 9 8 0 2 5 2. Now we have to solve this number. 4 is less than 9. 4 is less than 9. So 5 will be decreased by 1. 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. So this number will be decreased by 1. 3. 9 complement will be added. 9 complement is 1. 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now 3 is less than 4. That means 2. 3 minus 4 we have to 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. That means this number will be 3 will be decreased by 1, that is 2. 2. Now 4 complement will be added. 4 complement is 6. 2 plus 6, that is 8. 0 is less than 9. 0 is less than 9 means 0 is less than 9. So this number will be decreased by 1, that is 1. Now 3 complement 7 will be added. 3 plus 7, that is 1 plus 7, that is 8. 5 is less than 8. Now 0 minus 1 we cannot do. So what we will do? We will add the complement of 9, that is 1, and minus 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. As because we cannot subtract 1 from, as because 5 is less than 8, so we have to subtract 1 from this number. 0 minus 1 we cannot do. Or simply you can do like this also. Simply you write minus 1 and 9 complement will be added. Minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. 7 is greater than 0, so 8 complement will be added. As because 5 minus 8 it is not possible, so 5 plus 3, that is 8. 9 minus 9 is greater than 2, so possible, so 7 minus 0, 7. 4 is less than 5, so 9 will be decreased by 1, that is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 is greater than 2, so 5 complement directly you have to add. 4 plus 5, that is 9. 8 minus 2 is, that is 6. Now do this in reverse order, you will get the same answer. 6 2 8 9 9 5 14, 1 carried, 1 6 7 7 2 9, 7 plus 0 7, 8 8. So here we have to add a 2, as because 8 complement is 2, so this digit will be 7. Now 7 8 15, 15 means 1 carried, 1 0 1 1 1 9 10, again 1 carried, 1 8 9 9 3 12, again 1 carried, 1 8 9 9 4 13, again 1 carried, 4 1 5 5 9 14, again 1 carried, 1 2 3 3 2 5. So this is all about reciprocal subtraction. Hope you got hope you got reciprocal subtraction. So thank you for watching.